YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. They're done back in the lab. Oh, I'm told man, you don't know what time it is. Code is life, you know. You see what we're there with today? We're there with XKappe. You see me? XKappe, the one named Gore. You see me? I say we dog deal with Gore. Where that come from, gang? Let me know in the comment section. What the hell is the meaning of that shit? What is it reference to in that shit? Am I not getting it? Is it something I'm missing? You see me? Let me know in the comment section. You see me? With that XKappe, the one in Gore, I heard this song is pretty lit. You see me? I heard a lot of reviews on it. We've reacted to XKappe before. It's been a minute though. I forgot the last track we reacted to from him. Go check in the thing down, comment down below. What was the last track we reacted to for comment section? I'm going to some from XKappe. As me, I'm giving you some homework. Go check on the channel and comment. The first person that get it right getting pinned. You see me? What was the last song we reacted to from XKappe? Let me know in the comment section, gang. Well, yeah, man, it's been a minute we reacted to XKappe. He got a really unique style. He has a style similar to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You see me? I would say he has a style similar to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿. I would say 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 before 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿. I think he's out before 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿, isn't he? XKappe, we've been listening to him before we listened to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿. Yeah, so yeah, XKappe body. You see me? I say, well, check it out and see what dog I deal with. He has time to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿. So, you see me? I think pretty sure y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. But I'll check out the song. I've listened to this one. See what dog I deal with. As I said, been a minute we reacted to him. So but he's with a new track. So, yeah, we'll see what dog I deal with. XKappe, Gore, let's get it. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, you know, do the right thing. Code is life. Come on.
Mix Bali with Holly. I feel up a Barbie and I know for me dolly. Ugly for real and I go digitally. Me the real shade up here and I be winning rally.
Yeah, see, this all like about XKappe, dog. Dog like Vice, the weird dog, what you say, delivering song is very different, bro. You see me, it's entertaining. Like, look at dog start have track already and he already sound lit.
Mix Bali with Holly. I feel up a Barbie and I know for me dolly.
The man say mix Bali with Holly. Get that? Get Bali. Bali is a brand and Holly star. You see me? But watch you, dog. I'm just simple like that, man. To start off thing mad already. Come on.
Mix Bali with Holly. I feel up a Barbie and I know for me dolly. Ugly for real and I go digitally. Me the real shade up here and I be winning rally.
See, this, bro, me don't know. Them lyrics are tough. Me like she like this. Man say mix the Bali with the Holly. You see me? I say, man, I feel up a Barbie and I feel me dolly. You see? Watch you, me not plug on more that, but I'm going to say, you know, in my 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿, I like lyrics like this. That's creative. You see me? I'm saying it's a vibe.
Mix Bali with Holly. I feel up a Barbie and I know for me dolly. Ugly for real and I go digitally. Me the real shade up here and I be winning rally. God for it. Winning rally. So chimba girike.
Oh, yo, go on you, yo, this one already, go on you.
Been done living like criminal. Bitch, you know we are drunk, spread and we not gon' soar. 10 grand, guess I pump for. The rifle for sweet pussy that I talk chore. Get the gift cards at the drugstore. So me fuck a little mucky with the tongue bore. She said,
clean.
Me boy yourself, say me scam and love whore. Me drink Henny with the cram money pan the club floor. Anyway, me do the beast, them I say I dog Gore. I'm just a dog.
Clean. Oh, I don't Gore, dog. Man say, we be do the beast, we are Gore. The man say, yo. The man say, yo, blink up and thing when I call little monkey. She say, yo, she said, them boys say, me a scam and me love. Watch you.
Monkey with the tongue bore. She said, tell me boy yourself, say me scam and love whore. Me drink Henny with the cram money pan the club floor. Anyway, me do the beast, them I say I dog Gore. I'm just a dog fuck around me, we make a shoot a shot you. Send the slave to pee, you don't know who attack you. Jesse Bell, girl, me having a the Cooper caco. Sweet stays, we love pussy and a super lato.
Come in. Let me say man style no bad man. I want to no man. Yo, me like the new artists and that. The new artists them have bad lyrics and style no that. I mean, hey, listen to the dog when dog such up the flow, man.
I'm just a dog fuck around me, we make a shoot a shot you. Send the slave to pee, you don't know who attack you. Jesse Bell, girl, me having a the Cooper caco. Sweet stays, we love pussy and a super lato. So me light up her life and me no penny wally. BBL maga girl a Billy body. Put up on the yang back and dilly tally. Me a Zuzu Jimbo girl. USD man choppy fraud hardry. What I know about lottery and fraud. She said,
oh, Yo, it's XKappe, go on through.
I got a Billy body. Put up on the yang back and dilly dally. Me a Zuzu Jimbo USD man, choppy frog hardry. But I know about luxury and fragile. She said I fuck.
Man say USD me choppy from Hardry. USD what you know about fragile, go on through.
USD man, choppy frog hardry. But I know about luxury and fragile. She said I fuck. I mean happy can cardi a bread. And I putting on pie. What the body man judge.
What say yo? She says I have to carry car. Go on through.
Happy can cardi a bread. And I putting on pie. What the body man judge. Shut down line when me spotting a party. Juvenile got it clock in a yardy. Client name that rap in a party. Paper, fuck me a charge. And so don't fuck around me. We make a shoot a shot you. Send a slave to pee. You don't know who attack you. Jambisco, girl me having a the coupe.
Easy now, man.
Sweet taste, we love pussy and a super lato. So me light up her life and me no penny wally. BBL maga gala Billy body. Put up on the yang back and dilly dally. Me a Zuzu Jimbo
I feel like the fuck on some in Spanish bike.
Yeah, man.
I showing on night there, I go on put on
XKappe big up her damn self, yo.
me bass white suit. Lift up me fuck on fire and put on me belly boy. And when I touch down in the maple a little more, I going fuck up.
Touch down in a me pen, don't think I play a pen in a boy. Hey, you hear dog said do go on through.
And when I touch down in the maple a little more, I going fuck up the stage. Me and I Batman front them on a bottle and I say.
And this a dog fuck around me. We make a
Shoot
shoot
a
a
shot up.
send a slave to pee. You don't know
Oh,
who
one
attack you.
hey.
Jambisco, girl me having a the coupe.
Go on.
Sweet taste, we love pussy
And a super lotto. Easy bell y'all inna the coupe cock up. Easy now, man. Easy now, man. Yo, that is it. Please, XKappe, dog Gore. Deal with the like a dog Gore. Plug do me deal with the beast. Them think a dog Gore. Dog Gore. Who the hell is dog Gore, dog? Oh, okay. I know dog. It's guy that work on cars on Instagram. Okay. All right, say less. But yeah, man, gang, XKappe, yeah, he did his thing on that one, man. I like this track. The visuals is go crazy. The man flow, lyrics, bad. You see me? I say, no, bro. XKappe a bad artist, dog. You see me? I say, I don't know if you don't like this type of, if you like style music. You see me? Obviously, you was talking about chopping. You see me? I say like, I would say like, you know, he had swag music in rap. It's more like swag music in dancehall. That's why I'm kind of, you know what I'm saying? So. Yeah, him and Eddie G, you see me I say, and you know, you have other artists, but like this is what I'm saying, like main what I'm mentioning right now. But yeah, they have that style, dog, and it's mad, the lyrics hard. It's like people they're not talking about like some deep mentors, the people like lyrics, them not like what the nigga is saying is like he's going crazy, the flow, the cadence, the delivery, all of that stuff matters in the music, dog, and it's a vibe also. So big up them, man. Bad artists them, as me I said. So let me know what you think about the one in but let me know what you think about the one in the comment section, gang. As you man say, if you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know say the dancing. As you man say, yeah man, XKappe, dog Gore, right that one. As you man say, no joke. Yeah, no joke. As you man say, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop your request so you get your shout out. Yo, make sure say when I listen to all this banger music, make sure you not bang the bum buckle. Like button, you know, gang. You see me and say, do the right thing, man. Code is life, man. Hit the like and subscribe button, man. You don't know what time it is. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.